What made Hawaii a paradise for the people of Bacarra is when ships called them away, where farmers dreamed of sweeter days beneath foreign suns. They were the Sakadas.
Kalio kale huwabehe eyala
Ayayatek na tubot di Ilocos at nagdaga nga iba ay tinangit.
Di ayat ko hanto ang patingga, di kanto pulos nga agbabawi.
Ay ayatek,
ay ayatek, eyala o eba o kaiaha mauleyo. Eyala o kona, ike kalio kale huwabehe eyala ayayatek,
and the fusion of two vibrant culture, shared rhythm of heritage, resilience, and pride. With reverence, we honor the Sakadas, whose brave hearts carried the soul of Bacara across the waves to Hawaii, where two cultures now breathe as one.